On January 9, 2023, the installation and commissioning of 240-2T machines have been completed, and the construction of the plant has not yet been completed. However, time is money, and the customer can't wait to start mass production. This is a typical fishing port ice factory, and the efficiency of ice cube turnover is very high. In the factory building, 2 machines are placed side by side, equipped with a block ice turning device, and share the middle conveyor belt. Let us visit the production site of the ice factory. Basic configuration. Capacity 84 tons per day, 42 tons, 2 units. Production times 2 shifts per day. Ice weight 50 kilograms each block. Others, handbell screw compressor, a 404A evaporative condenser. The dicing time is 5-10 minutes. The dicing effect is good, no melting, no deformation, no damage, no jamming. The ice is very strong, standing very stable even after the ice is turned sideways. We did not see any broken block ice. The customer's transverse conveyor was not activated because the construction of the factory had not yet been completed. Therefore, the site is relayed by workers who send the ice blocks to the longitudinal conveyor belt, and then the crusher crushes them. This small single roller ice crusher is also produced by our CXSHARE. The crushing speed is very fast, and the 50 kg block ice can be crushed immediately. If the factory construction is completed, the customer starts the horizontal conveyor belt designed by the customer himself. During the production process, only the ice pusher, turning machine, and conveyor belt need to be remotely controlled to complete the entire production. There are fewer human intervention links, and the production efficiency is very high.